The WHOIS monitor can check any domain for DNS, ownership, expiry, or administrative data changes. This type of monitor is ideal to get alerts when domain names are about to expire, when expired domains become available to purchase, or when ownership changes occur. To get started, enter the domain you want to check and click Preview. Hexawatch will fetch and display all the currently available WHOIS data for the domain, including status, registration date, expiry, DNS, and registrar records. You can then choose to monitor for any changes, or specify a specific data type to monitor. Based on your objective, you can select the frequency of checks from every 3 months down to 5 minutes, depending on your objective. Then, click Start Monitoring to get started. Hexawatch will keep an eye on the domain and will notify you when WHOIS changes are detected. The WHOIS monitor also provides advanced settings. You can get a notification when a domain is about to expire within a time period, or has expired by a set time period. Custom notification channels can be used to receive alerts via Discord, email, Telegram, Slack, Zapier, your browser, or via webhooks. Advanced scheduling options are also available to customize your monitor to your needs, and tags can be used to organize your monitors inside your account.